I got in the car this morning and I started driving and I was like, crap, I forgot my clothes. Here today to go back to Astronomicon. So this is part 2. You know what question I have to ask you. Okay, was that funny? Was it good?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at all the dudes watching. That's amazing.
Who are them people?
Lots of dudes.
So funny.
So far, it's been a pretty good con. We got our booth moved, and it's so much better than being in the hallway. This is a little behind the scenes point of view from Gozer the Gozerian. That's me, Bonnie, as the villain of Ghostbusters for the day. I don't know how good of a job I'm doing as a villain, but hey, our booth looks pretty good. See, hee, ha ha ha. I don't know why there's sound effects. I can't even take credit for that stuff. I don't own it. One of the things we do is we take pictures with a lot of people throughout the day, and it always makes them smile. And we manage to have our own shenanigans and fun too. Nice moves. Now's your time to shine, you guys. That's Kayla. She's always a lot of fun.
Hi.
More cosplay friends. Batman. That's cool. And who's seen Firefly? Lisa does such cute cosplays. Later in the day before Bruce Campbell left, he actually said he really liked my cosplay, and we talked for like a whole 20 seconds. So I got Bruce Campbell behind me. We're in the same shot. And no con would be complete without a little shopping. Oh, look at this cute little caterpillar. Oh, it's so cute, rainbowy. Oh, this guy's cute too. Oh, it's like an angry mushroom. It's so grumpy. Oh, I didn't see the sandworm bag yesterday. The shark above it. It's actually nicer in person. Look at that cool tail. Oh, it's super cute. But I was looking at it. I like it up close. Look at this. I feel like the sandworm goes with Gozer enough. Not really, but
yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Hey, Gozer. We'd like a photo of you.
Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Look how dumpy this is. Isn't it cute? And that's a zipper part. Oh, I want this one.
How much is
too.
that one?
Well, they're all a little pricey. 70.
Oh yeah. That's super
But
cool. Though.
I do collect novelty bags. I like this Coraline thing. Oh, you're good. Oh, that's clever. The dragon's cool too. Okay, I love these earrings. These Elvira daggers with purple stones are right up my alley. There's a little Slimer over here, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a cute one. I haven't seen that one before.
It's cute.
Yeah.
And the Ghostbusters thing.
Yeah. I feel like I've seen almost all of the
Oh, and
Ghostbusters.
then this is Ghostbusters. This is Ghostbusters.
Yeah, that's a cute one. I need your gun.
Joe.
I need your gun for some video on this. Would be good.
Sure.
Thanks. I like how I'm just demanding. Like, I need your gun. You're like, sure.
We're friends. We've been friends ever since the Baby Herman shit.
I know. I stole his gun.
Give it back.
This is loud. It's like really
Nice.
loud. I can't be serious. Got any ideas? Before anybody freaks out, that is a completely plastic toy gun. It is not real. Can't be serious. Super good, right? I'm not afraid of ghosts. I am a ghost.
Yeah, way too much fun. And I mean that in the nicest way.
I have Fiona as my escort. We're gonna go see the scary clown. What's his name? Art. Art. I should know that. Art the clown. Art the clown. We're gonna see if we can sneak some footage. I don't know what that sound was.
It gets chaotic over here.
I know. Oh, there's a Christina! Where is he?
In there.
Oh, he's in the room? Oh, down the hall?
This is his line.
Oh my goodness.
They're all funny. A long line.
Was it like wrapping around? Oh, he's in here.
Yep.
Oh.
Right against the wall there.
Oh. Oh, he's. Oh. Oh, I see. In the plaid. In the plaid. In the flesh, in the plaid. In the plaid, in the flesh. Flesh. In the flesh, in the plaid, in the plaid, in the flesh. I don't know. I don't. Oh, there. He doesn't look like a scary clown now.
He did yesterday.
Oh, did he?
You know lazy Sundays.
I got thirsty. And they gave out free monsters. And I'm kind of a monster, so. Oh, look, and here's an Ashley.
I just hello sir Tommy Chan for our photo op. He looks at me like,
He probably made his day.
I did it on the Goodyear side.
Even better, so thoughtful. Going back to the booth. Just went for a little stroll. Hi. It's a lot more quiet on day 2 here. Oh, here we go. Back to where we were. This is the line for Bruce Campbell. Bruce Campbell soup. Chicken noodle. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken Campbell soup? Campbell, that's redundant, yeah. Chicken noodle.
This is Matt Stryker, Jason Momoa from Aquaman, and also Stargate Atlantis. That's rolling to y'all.
So do you guys like Ghostbusters?
We bust them.
Bust them?
I've actually never seen the movie. I was just here on vacation.
Oh yeah, there we go. You guys can audition for the Rockettes pretty soon.
That's a whole different.
Oh, there we go. You're not in sync. You gotta get in okay, there we go. You might call me an instigator or a shenanigator, but usually it ends up in people smiling. And here's some fun group shots that we usually try to get as a group, and some with celebrities. It just depends on what's going on with the group and the event. I feel a lot of times, though, the celebrities get a kick out of the Ghostbusters. And this is Joel David Moore. He came over and took some pictures with us. So that was pretty cool.
Robot. Epic. Great. Good to meet you. You look awesome. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Take care. I think I got some cool shots of you.
All right, so tell me about how cool this is.
So this is a commission that I had done, and you just did a phenomenal job.
Do you know the artist's name?
I think it's this Joseph Lowe,
Okay,
I believe.
that's awesome. Come on, Devontae.
Nope, I let him come up with whatever he wanted to do. I was like, he'll come up with something.
I was told I should go try scaring angry grandma. We'll see. I don't really want to scare her, but Devontae said that I should go scare angry grandma. So, we'll see. They stole a proton pack. Did angry grandma steal a proton pack?
I'm out. She'll never confess on camera. She did, though. She did.
So he said,
Hey.
you know what I want to give it, like, prove that.
Hey, don't say anything, but she's been stealing stuff from this whole convention. She's been taking stuff off people's table. Her pockets are filled with just stuff.
So she's a villain like me.
Yep.
That's right.
Us villains have to stick together.
We're partners in crime.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I have a very important question to ask you.
All right.
Are you a god?
Not hardly. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That was great.
Thank you.
So we have to have a little montage for the costume. So as most of you watching this probably already know, I am cosplaying Gozer the Gozerian from the original Ghostbusters movie from 1984. I did buy a bodysuit and then completely hand painted and spray painted it so that it was the same color or very similar to my skin. And then I took all these fabrics and textures and bubbles and applied them, which sounds a lot easier than it was, but I had to do a lot of it while I was wearing it. The bubbles are actually ornaments that I cut in half by hand as well. And yes, it is tricky going to the bathroom.
Katie was told to be done somewhere else, so we have a rescuer that does this for a living, and he is going to transport her. He just realized he was voluntold.
Come on, do it.
Just do it! Just do it! She gets to go be tired somewhere else. Thanks to the Ghostbusters Paramedic Rescue Unit.
There you go.
She is saved. How does it feel being saved, Ghostbuster Katie?
Well, my feet were killing me, so it was nice.
Oh, look at those butterflies. Ghostbusters.
Actually, look at that.
Oh, that's really cute. That was fun, Steak.
Thanks, you guys.
So I wanted to have Gozer walking in front of the ectos. And by the way, stay tuned because my ecto, this green one here, I'm going to be adding a lot more to it. I'm redoing some things for the roof rack. So stay tuned. There's going to be a whole video.
I'm wearing this to Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm going to eat the chicken wings with my fork and knife. This is life, guys. This is how Comic-Cons go.
Can we just pretend that we're in some 80s music video right now? Yeah, I'm just pretending to be really cool. Yeah.
I'm cool, man.
We're at Buffalo Wild Wings, and people are already looking at Dan waiting for me in my car pulling in. So, oh, I can't hardly get out in this outfit. It's not meant to drive in. Oh, I think I locked it. Hold on.
Sorry, I didn't want to bring this in the restaurant.
I know, you don't want to look weird. Actually, put it in there.
That way we won't forget. Sit down.
A Gozer and a Ghostbuster walk into Buffalo Wild Wings.
Are you going to eat this? Or those things? Oh, you're going to use them?
Want to. Yeah, fork and knife.
You didn't bring any clothes, huh?
Hey.
That's right, I made that mistake yesterday.
If this wasn't here, I could probably...
Because I was like Nightwing and I was hanging out afterwards.
You'll have to lean in a little bit just for this. This one I'm trying to do with these little fingers. I got little holes in a couple of them, but not the rest of them. Gotta eat our food now.
I gotta zoom out a little bit.
Katie, Dan, and I got a little impromptu Buffalo Wild Wing. I feel like they should be paying us for that. And I snorted. Anyway, so we ate our food, and this is the end of the video.
Am I blinking?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you are. Yes.
Because I want people to see it. I think it would be cooler.
Yeah. You gotta put your helmet on.
Definitely not dorky at all.
Definitely.
Riding down the road in the Ghostbusters.
That strap needs to be flipped.
Thank you. I would hate for someone on the road to be like, wow, that guy's strap is flipped.
I know. That's the only thing weird about it at all.
Yeah, now I'm going to be fine.
If there was anything particular that you liked, let me know. See you in the next video. If you're watching this one before the other one, watch the other Astronomicon. Okay, this is the end of the video for real now.